is watching her, but she's looking at you. Ooh, ooh, 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 ooh.
Good morning! Welcome back to another edition of Eating with Ashley here on My Full Figured Life. So I changed up our setup a little bit. I'm using this single burner here. I have my grill pan. This feels kind of hot. I'm going to go on and put this pan on top. By this time in the video, you guys already know what I'm making. So once this heats up, I'm going to throw the steak on the grill. And we going to get this thing popping, y'all. So, how has your weekend been going? I'm so excited and I'm hyped. Next week is my birthday on Wednesday the 16th. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. At first, I was feeling like I'm getting old. But then, someone told me that getting old is a privilege denied to many. And that really, hit me to heart because it's so true. So I'm just embracing it, y'all. I'm about to be 32 on Wednesday. Can you believe it? This is crazy. Scorpio season is in full effect and it's about to be a queen's birthday, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm sorry I keep saying that. But you guys know I love to turn up. So, this pan feel hot, y'all. This pan is getting hot. So, I don't know. I guess I'll throw the steak on now. Whoop, whoop. I've had the steak marinating overnight. This is going to be so good, y'all. I'm so ready. Woo. This pan is ready. Do you guys hear that sizzle? Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could smell it. These seasonings just smell so good. This steak is gonna be bomb.com. I so wish you guys could be here to eat with me. Man, y'all be missing out because I be cooking good over here. So, when I make steak, I don't really like to mess around with it a lot because I like to get that nice caramelization on each side. So we just gonna let this go until we see the sides kind of, they kind of like bend up a little bit. So when you see that on your steak, then you know it's ready to serve. You guys, it smells so good. Woohoo! So what else has been going on, you guys? Like, I'm just so excited for this new year of life. I done cut people off within the last few months. People that I thought were very close to me and special to me. But I'm telling you, when someone shows you their true colors, believe them and cut them off, I'm getting too old to be wasting time and wasting my energy on people that don't deserve it. So no matter how close you think you are, if they do something you don't like, you know, and you really feel it in your gut, just cut them off. Don't waste any more time. Cut them off and do not look back, you guys. And I feel happier than ever. I feel better than ever. I feel like a huge weight off my shoulders now that I'm like not friends with this person anymore, because I just felt like I was being more of a friend to them than they were being to me. And I just feel so much happier, and I'm just so ready to, you know, invite or to, you know, have better friendships in my life, and just better people that are worth my time, and better people that, you know, I can really build a lifelong friendship with. Because when you have real friends, you guys are supposed to be friends forever, right? People do not get it these days. I'm always a better friend to my friends than my friends are to me. Like, it's so crazy. But, you know, God knows my heart, and hopefully he'll send me some friends that are just better, you know? No time for fake friends, you know? Anyway, this steak is looking good, guys. So as you can see, it looks like the steak is kind of like tensing up and getting a little smaller. What we're going to wait for is for it to tense up some more, and for the sides to just curl up a little bit. Then it's going to be perfect to turn. So it might be getting there. Let me check a little bit under. Almost. Almost. We gonna turn this. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm so excited this early in the morning. But, you know, I just feel good. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling good. So I'm just gonna bestow my happiness and good feelings to you guys. I hope you guys are feeling as good as I am. And if you're not, I hope that I can make you guys feel better. So, alright, look how this steak is looking. This is perfect to turn. So let's turn it. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that grill mark action? Oh my gosh. This is going to be bomb.com. I know I said that already, but you guys know how enthusiastic I am about my food. You can eat good without eating totally crazy with all the calories and fat. With this steak, I'm going to have some egg whites, and I might do a little mixed green salad. My nutritionist wants me to have greens at every meal, including breakfast. So I might have a mixed green salad, or I might make a green smoothie. I'm not sure, but you guys will of course see what I end up having. So let's just work on this steak here. Y'all, the seasonings and the aroma coming up from this thing right here. Unbelievable. I really hope you guys like my recipes. I get so many messages from you guys saying that you're actually trying my recipes, and that's so awesome. Thank you guys so much. It makes me feel so happy that you guys could, you know, experience the things that I experience and taste how it tastes, because it tastes so good, honey. So I like my steak medium well. I don't like it totally cindered and burned to the gods. So let's check the bottom. I'm going to let this go some more. I'm going to let this little fat cap right here melt down some more. As a matter of fact, I'm going to agitate this little fat cap right here on the side so it can melt down a little faster. But I'm only agitating the fat cap. I'm not touching the meat at all, because I don't really like to mess with the meat. Well, I just like to let it go, y'all. See, that fat cap is just cooking down. So what's been going on, you guys? What y'all gave me for my birthday? Nah, I'm just kidding. So, I'm just happy, you guys. I just feel good, you know? I'm about to eat good soon. What's better than that? As you can see, I'm still rocking my natural hair. But, y'all know, I'm going to get this hair together for my birthday. So just wait and see how it looks. Woo. You guys know I'm going to vlog. So, it's going to be a party, y'all. Okay, so this steak is looking pretty good. I'm going to flip it one more time, and then I'm going to just turn it off the heat and just let the residual heat cook it the rest of the way. And we're going to get started on our eggs. So this steak is pretty much done. I'm gonna take it off the heat. I'm gonna sit it on this here oven mitt, and I'm gonna put my pan that I'm gonna use for the eggs on here. I'm gonna turn this fire down a little bit. Make sure this pan ain't burning my damn table, y'all, but it's good. It's on the oven mitt. Okay, so while the steak is resting, we're going to put the tiniest bit of butter in this pan, like literally just that much for the egg whites. So that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. So now we are going to crack the egg whites into the pan. Hopefully I don't break the yolk. Hopefully I don't get no shells in here. I'm human just like y'all, even though I do this for a living, you know, both here on YouTube and in real life. You guys know I do catering. But let's see. Crack these eggs. Alrighty. And I did it. No egg yolks. Let's do the other one. Wow, perfect. They're actually cooperating today, y'all. I'm gonna have to go wash my hands. The eggs were actually cooperating today. So to these eggs, I'm putting a tiny bit of this kosher salt. I'm putting a tiny bit of this kosher salt. Like literally just that much. You know, you gotta throw a little bit over your left shoulder for good luck. Yes, I'm not a very superstitious person, but little things like definitely no splitting no poles over here and no pouring salt without throwing a little bit over my left shoulder. And I'm putting a little bit of black pepper. And yeah, what we're gonna do for these egg whites, I'm gonna wait until you get that nice brown ring around the outside, and then we're gonna flip it, and then we're gonna eat, y'all. This is gonna be a nice good breakfast. So this is looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over. Yes, honey, yes. Y'all see this? Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. And I'm gonna go plate this food up, and I'll be right back, guys. So we are back, guys. And this is what it's looking like. But you guys know how we do. Here's a little bit of food porn. Okay, so to drink, I decided to go with a naked green machine smoothie. So that's what we're gonna have. I wasn't really feeling the salad with the steak and eggs, so we just gonna have, I think that should be 8 ounces. This is 140 calories per 8 ounces. This is the naked green machine, no sugar added, sugar free, but it's not that bad. As you can see, like, I've been really tearing this thing up. So that's gonna be my greens to go with this breakfast. It has apples, bananas, kiwis, mangoes, pineapple, spirulina, alfalfa, broccoli, spinach, kale, garlic, barley grass, wheatgrass, ginger, and parsley. Okay, so I think this will be my salad to go with my breakfast. So I don't know. Anyway, let's get into this steak, y'all. I've been dying to try this. Oh, it's tender, y'all. Look at that. First bite. Mmm. Yeah. Mmm. It's so good. Marinating your meat overnight like totally makes all the difference. Mmm. It's so good. I've had people tell me that say it's so good too much. So I don't know. Should I tell them, like, it's my motherfucking channel and I'll say whatever the fuck I want? Or should I try to tone it back a little bit? Leave me a comment below if I say it's so good too much. If enough people say it, then I'll try to tone it back some. If people are like, bitch, it's your channel, say whatever the fuck you want, then I'm gonna say whatever the fuck I want, because you can't please everybody. It's about the majority. You know what I'm saying? You guys, this food right here is banging. I'm not gonna eat that fat cap. Go on and turn that steak around so I can eat around it. It gives nice flavor, but I just ain't eating it. Yo, I wish you guys could taste the steak, yo. I feel like that Biggie song, she know how to hook a steak up. Yeah, that's me. I can hook them steaks up, honey. Yo. This whole steak is like 230 calories. These egg whites are 35 calories each. My naked smoothie is, what did I say, 140 calories for this cup? I'm winning. I did use a little bit of butter to cook the eggs. That wasn't even a teaspoon or nothing. I would say that was probably about 45 calories. That little tiny pat of butter. I am winning. It's so good. Y'all heard me, haters. It's so good. It's so good. have so many videos about to come out, you guys. Just wait on it. Some more mukbangs, some hauls. We're gonna, of course, do my birthday vlog. It's about to be on and popping in here. I have some, plus size awareness empowerment videos coming on. I'm doing the try on haul. Like, it's all about to get popping up in here. So stay tuned. Make sure you click that notification button so you guys can see it first every time I upload a video. I'm real excited about my next mukbang, y'all. It's gonna be good. I already got all the stuff for it. It's gonna be bomb. Don't talk shit about my little knife. I love these little paring knives that I got these from Williams Sonoma. They're like their little mini paring knives, and they give you like so much control over what you're cutting. Like, I like to cut veggies with it and like my meat. I love these little knives. I swear, I wish you guys could taste the flavors of this steak. It is so juicy. You guys see that? Y'all gotta start marinating y'all meat. Don't be afraid to play around with your meat. Play with it, rub it. Rub your meat. Get all them flavors in there. I'm just gonna cut off this fat cap because I do not want to eat that part. It's not that big, but look at that. That is fat, y'all. It gives a nice flavor, but I just can't be fucking with that. That is all fat right there. But the fat to meat ratio was really, really good. For that whole piece of steak, this right here is the only fat on the steak. So, it's not that bad. Man. I'm surprised my cat isn't running around here somewhere. I don't know where he is. We would have thought he'd be like around somewhere around me when he smelled this damn steak cooking, because my whole house smells like steak right now. Hubby isn't here. Hubby went to go take our car to get an oil change. So big ups to him for that. He's a good guy. I didn't even have to ask him. He just got up and did it. Can't beat that. If you guys are wondering what this lipstick is I'm wearing, this is Milani's Amore Matte Lip Cream in the color Devotion. I love it. It's like one of my favorite reds. Romance is my #1 favorite red. This is #2. That had a little piece of fat on it too. Last piece of egg. I'm so good right now. This steak is so good, I'm almost sad it's to the end of it. This is the last bite. You guys want the last bite? This was the bomb. And that's the end of it. But I'm good. I'm satisfied. I hope this lipstick held up, y'all. Here's the green machine. It's really not that bad. All the fruit in it really helps with all the vegetables. I did it, you guys. That's done. My food is done. All that's left is that little piece of fat. I'm not gonna eat that. And we came to the end of another mukbang. I hope you guys liked my video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys wanted me to eat. I have a few things that's coming that I'm gonna do, but I'm open for suggestions. Hit your girl up. Don't forget to subscribe to me on all my social medias. I am My Full Figured Life on Snapchat, My Full Figured Life on Instagram, and Bright NY Star on Twitter. Hit me up, especially on Instagram. Every day I highlight my favorite comments, so maybe it could be your comment that I'm posting on my Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to do you, boo.